Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the trailer and lifting just enough to relieve spring tension. This keeps the axle stable while you work. Once supported on jack stands, break loose the U-bolts and nuts with a breaker or impact. You want the clamps loose but still threaded to avoid sudden drops. Next, remove any shackles, hangers, or spring clips that restrict the spring ends. As you do this, keep one hand on the spring to control movement and prevent it from dropping unexpectedly. You lower the axle incrementally until the spring clears the hanger, then slide the old leaf pack out carefully. Note the orientation of the center pin and cam. Once removed, inspect hanger brackets, shackles, and bushings for wear. Swapping these now prevents early failure. Install the new spring the same way the old one came out. Feed the eye into the hanger, seat the center pin in the axle perch, and bring the U-bolts up. Finger tighten hardware so parts align before final torque. You now torque the U-bolts to the trailer maker's specification using a calibrated torque wrench. Tighten in a crisscross sequence to ensure even clamp load. Once torqued, lower the trailer, remove stands, and test the ride height and wheel alignment. Make sure springs sit centered on the axle perch. After 100 miles, recheck torque. If you hear squeaks or see uneven sag, re-elevate, inspect bushings and shackle alignment, and confirm the center pin is tight to fix common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.